Ready to have your mind blown by a powered collaboration that's actually Euro easy? Let's dive into Gling AI. First, head over to Gling AI's website and log in or create an account. It's free to get started. Once you're in, hit that New Project button. Give your project a descriptive name, something that will help you remember what you are working on. Now for the fun part, collaboration. Add your team members by typing in their email addresses or usernames. Gling AI makes it incredibly easy to connect with collaborators. Explore the features, from auto-generating documents to summarizing meetings and even completing your code. Gling AI offers a suite of tools to boost your productivity. See how Gling AI analyzes meeting transcripts and delivers concise summaries. This can save you precious time and keep everyone on the same page. And look at this document generation. Simply provide a prompt, and Gling AI will create a starting point for your document within seconds. Start collaborating, edit, comment, and refine your work together in real time, all within Gling AI's intuitive interface. When you are done, save and export your final project. Gling AI supports multiple file formats to streamline your workflow. That's it. You are ready to boost your team's productivity with the power of Gling AI.